In this video, I will show you in a quick and practical way how to push to GitHub to upload your code changes to the online repository. First, open your project folder on your computer and open the terminal inside that folder. If the project is not connected to Git yet, you can initialize it using the git init command. Next, add the files you modified using the command git add to select all project changes. After that, use the command git commit message to save a version of your changes with a description. This message helps identify what was modified in the project. Then upload the changes to GitHub using the command git push. If this is your first time uploading the project, you may need to connect the remote repository using git remote add origin followed by the repository link. After that, run git push origin main to upload the files. Once the push is complete, your changes will be available on GitHub for others to see. Whenever you make new changes, simply repeat the add, commit, and push steps. This keeps your project updated online and makes collaboration easier. And that's it. Now you know how to push to GitHub quickly and easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.